I'm back. So morning, and I'm going to be doing a full tutorial. I have to apologize for not uploading on Wednesday. I had a lot going on. It's like since school closed, you would think I have enough time to do all my videos, and it's just proving not to be true. So I'm gonna make this up to you guys. I'm going to just do a full face. I'm going to be using my Sour Blast palette, eyeshadow palette, along with one of my most underused palettes, my Ace Quintessential palette. I'm going to be using that this morning, and we're going to be diving into some of the colors. I really want to play with the blue, not so much the silver, but some of the other colors. Yeah, but basically the blue is what I want to play with this morning. So we're going to be diving into the tutorial. I already primed my face with my Pond's moisturizer and coconut oil. So I'm just going to be applying my foundation. Today I'm going to be using two foundations. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and the Revlon Colourstay foundation 400 caramel in the Paul's, what color is this? This is in Cappuccino 340. So I'm going to be using that this morning. These two, I'm mixing them because I want a kind of real matte finish. The Maybelline is just something that you have to build up. Sometimes even if you build it up, it still doesn't give you that look. I just want to play with it and see how they look together. And yeah, I just wish they would put a bloody pump on this. It was like, why doesn't this have a pump? So I'm just going to apply the foundation. Oh, this is why this should have a bloody pump. So I'm going to be using this one first because it's so medium coverage. It's very, very light. Alright. I just see. Usually you mix them together, but I'm doing it this way. Let's see how it looks. The Revlon Colourstay is so thick and full coverage and nice. I just always loved this foundation. This is one of my go-to drugstore foundations. I just wish it would give you a maximum like 10 hours, but it's like basically 24 over 8 hours. That's I'm going to conceal, and I'm going to be mixing two concealers because I want my eyes a little brighter today. I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige, and we're going to be using that this morning along with this. It looks kind of whitey, but it's going to blend it nice. And I'm also going to be using it in buff, right? Make sure I'm not using too much. Okay, yeah, this should be enough. And I'm going to be using the buff now. Just pressing it on top of it because I want them mixed in together. You're gonna say, oh, why not whitey thing now? Let's see how nice it blends in. Right, so I'm gonna just blend this. I'm gonna not blending it out yet. I'm leaving it to set a little bit. So I'm going straight into doing the eyebrows, and I will be right back. I'm now going to just blend out this concealer. So yes, we're gonna blend it out. It has been drying down for close to 10 minutes or less. Oh, you know your brow game. Oh, my brow game is like, takes some time. It takes some time. So I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set under my eyes. I love using the Sacha Buttercup powder. It really settles in and looks so good on the skin. I'm just gonna put it here. Right. On that line. Right there. Right. So I'm also going to be using a little bit of the Sacha that is on the sponge to really shape my foundation on other places of the face. And then I'm going to be using the Sacha translucent powder, and this is a matte powder. I'm going to use this on the nose. I'm going to put a significant amount on my nose because this nose is oily and it helps to control the oil. Right, so we're going to use the medium beige on the lids. And use my finger to more or less blend that. I love. Right. So we're going to be using the quintessential, and first color. I think I'm going to use Clove first, and yeah, we're going to use Clove. Let me just make sure this thing is not acting a fool. Should I use a makeup blending brush? So we're using Clove. Okay. Oh, this thing is so pigmented though. Damn. Damn. And I'm seeing that on this camera. It looks so faint today, but I'm putting it bright. This camera is just not doing it justice. So we're just applying it there. So I'm patting the powder onto the eye lid just above my crease. Good, we're going up high with the color there. Right, and we're going to blend in another color with this. Right, so now I'm going to be trying, I'm going to be going in with Rosewood, but I think I'm going to put Nutmeg right to the top here, because I don't want the color going too far. Nutmeg or patchouli. I think I'll go with patchouli. I'm going to put patchouli right here, because I don't want the color going too far up. So I'm going to use patchouli right on the tip of it. And I don't want a harsh line being seen there. I don't like that, because I'm not really going to be blending the color up more. It's more about applying and patting. And apply the other color here. We'll see how the blending is looking. So I'm just blending out the edge so patchouli can be seen. Maybe my eyebrows a little tipsy. You seeing it? Oh, just can't wait to get a new camera. Right. And now we're going in with Rosewood. So Rosewood is this type of burgundy color here. So we're going in with Rosewood. I'm going to put that more or less in the crease, and I'm using my Bhcosmetics number 10 brush, and we're going to just apply it. So patting it right just a little bit down from the other color. So we're just blending it in very slightly. Patchouli is a really nice looking color. Oh, if I'm dealing with the chickens, I dealing with somebody car alarm going on. Now I'm hearing somebody barking. So, Alright, so we're going to do this to the other side, and I'm going to do that off camera very quickly and come back. Alright, so now we're just going to cut the crease, and so that I can apply the blue. I'm not sure, I was going to get like a more natural blending to the blue. I'm not sure if I want to cut the crease. Confused. So let's see how this looks. Oh, this blue is fire. Why don't I use this a little more often though? Yeah, it would look good. Alright, so I think I'm just going to apply it like this. Because it would have like raised up a little. I'm not getting any photos, thank God for that. Right, I guess that's gonna there. Now we're gonna just create some wings. I like how they come out. I'm gonna create the wing, put on my lashes, and I'll be back.
A few moments later.
Alright, so yeah, eyelashes are on. The blue is popping. Right, so now I'm just gonna use my mascara. Yeah. Yes, yes. So I'm using my Maybelline Colossal, Big Colossal mascara at the bottom of the eye. Thank you, baby.
You look like a pencil.
Like a pencil.
You look like my pencil or something. Yes, I look like a pencil. Big.
Get away from here, girl.
Mama, recording up?
Yes, not right now. So, alright, so I applied the mascara to the bottom of my eyes. So I'm now just gonna dust away.
I'll be mad.
Yeah, I'm dusting away the powder that was.
Mommy, I do a recording up?
Yes, I'll do a recording with you tomorrow.
Okay. Are we asleep?
Alright, so we dust away the powder, and I'm just gonna pat in what remains behind.
Mommy, Ibo is not the bill of the month. Yes. And I his name and not the bill of the month.
Wednesday?
Yes.
Right, so I pat that away. And now I'm going to just contour. So I'm going to use my Elevate Pro Concealer Contour. So I don't hit pan there right now. Right, so now we're just going to be applying blush, and I'm going to be using my Bhcosmetics number 3 brush and applying it right ever so slightly. Now I usually use my James Charles palette. I love this color here for blush. I love how that looks. I don't know, but I don't get this type of color with any of the other palettes, any of the other blush palettes that I have. So yeah, I just like it. Alright, so I'm not going to use too much, and I'm going to use this one for highlights, and with the same brush, because I'm just patting it on the cheek. Yes, cheek brush. Nose by the shimmer right there. So, right, so now we're going to be doing lips. I don't have any blue lipstick, and that is what I really wanted. So I'm going to be using my Arista lipstick, and Macarena, and I think this is a Sacha brand. And I'm gonna line the lip. Should I line it? Lips with a black liner. Now it's looking super crazy now and real 90s, but you're gonna see what I'm doing too. So I'm using the same Juniper from the Ace Cosmetics palette, and I'm applying it onto the lip. So I'm using the same Juniper shadow that is on my eye from the palette, and oh my goodness. Right, and I'm going to apply it onto the lips because I don't have a blue line, a blue lip. Right now, so now I'm just going to set the foundation with my Revlon Colourstay Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set and Refresh. So ooh, misty all over the place. So yes, this is the final look. I really like how it looks. So yeah, so guys, let me know what you think. I'm just gonna pop some hair in my head and be right back. Final look. Tell me what you think about it. Leave me a comment in the comment section. I really was afraid of using blue, but it worked out pretty well. I also used the quintessential, as you would have seen in the video, Juniper on the lips to create the blue lipstick because I don't really have blue, and I really like it. For me, the palette is an amazing palette. I've just tried to start to play with it a little bit more. The colors are highly pigmented. They blend out so beautifully. This color, this blue, is amazing. I'm watching this other color there, the shimmers. Why wasn't I playing with this thing more? They're just so nice and pigmented, and they blend out so well. Look at the gold. I've had this palette for like close to 6 to 8 months now, and I've just used it like once or twice, and I'm going through my collection. I'm like, why am I not using this palette a little bit more? It's like crazy. I was like, I need to play with this palette a little bit more. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think, if you like it. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but for me, I really love how it came out. Yeah, it looks bomb because I like to play with color. So yeah, so don't forget, guys, to subscribe to my channel. Um, hit that notification bell. Remember, it has to be clicked on full dark for you to keep up to date with my uploads, and comment, like, share the video with your friends and family. I'm a little toned down today because I'm tired. I had a rough day yesterday with my workout routine. My weight loss is going where I wanted to go. You would see, yeah, see here looking fatty no more. So I'm down 20 pounds, and I'm very happy about that. I have 20 more pounds to go before I actually do see that I'm losing the weight, and yeah, so I'm happy. So guys, thank you for joining me, and if you're new to my channel, thank you for subscribing and liking. And I'm gonna have another tutorial up tomorrow, a much more toned down look, more everyday type of look for you guys. So thank you so much for joining me.